Best compact toilets are space-saving bathroom fixtures designed to fit comfortably in small or narrow bathrooms without sacrificing comfort or performance. They feature efficient flushing systems, modern designs, and water-saving technology, making them a smart choice for apartments, guest bathrooms, and any space where maximizing room is important. Starting at number 1, Swiss Madison SM1T112. The Swiss Madison SM1T112 IV. One-piece toilet dual flush is a modern and efficient bathroom fixture designed to combine style, comfort, and water-saving performance. Featuring a sleek one-piece elongated design, it offers a seamless appearance that is both visually appealing and easy to clean. The dual flush system allows users to choose between a partial or full flush, helping conserve water while maintaining strong and reliable performance. Built for everyday comfort, it provides a comfortable seating height suitable for most users. The smooth white ceramic finish enhances durability and blends easily with a wide range of bathroom styles. Combining modern design, efficiency, and practicality, the Swiss Madison IV toilet is a great choice for upgrading contemporary bathrooms. Number 2. HOROW T0338U Compact One-Piece Toilet. The HOROW T0338W Compact One-Piece Toilet is a modern and space-saving bathroom fixture designed for comfort, efficiency, and easy maintenance. Featuring a sleek one-piece elongated bowl design, it provides a seamless look that enhances bathroom aesthetics while making cleaning simple. Its ADA chair height of 17.3 inches ensures added comfort and accessibility for users of all ages. The dual flush system, 0.8128 GPF, offers excellent water efficiency while maintaining strong and reliable flushing performance. Designed with a standard 12-inch rough-in, it fits most bathroom layouts with ease. Finished in a clean white ceramic surface, the HOROW T038W combines durability, modern design, and water-saving technology, making it a practical and stylish choice for contemporary bathrooms. Number 3. Casta Diva One-Piece Toilet. The one-piece elongated toilet with 17.5. ADA Height Comfort Chair. Seat is a modern and efficient bathroom fixture designed for comfort, performance, and space-saving convenience. Featuring a sleek one-piece elongated design, it provides a seamless look that is easy to clean and ideal for contemporary bathrooms. Its ADA-compliant 17.5-inch chair height offers enhanced comfort and accessibility for users of all ages. The dual flush system, 1.011.28 GPF, ensures strong flushing performance while promoting water efficiency, supported by a high MAP 1000 GR rating for reliable waste removal. Designed with a standard 12-inch rough-in, it fits most bathroom installations with ease. Finished in a classic white color, this modern toilet combines durability, efficiency, and comfort, making it a practical choice for everyday residential use. Number 4. KE King Compact One-Piece Toilet. The KE King Compact. One-piece toilet is a modern and space-efficient bathroom fixture designed for comfort, performance, and water-saving efficiency. Featuring a sleek one-piece elongated design, it offers a seamless appearance that is easy to clean and fits well in contemporary bathrooms. Its ADA chair height of 17.3+ inches provides enhanced comfort and accessibility, making it suitable for users of all ages. The dual flush system, 0.8128 GPF, delivers efficient water usage while maintaining strong flushing performance, supported by a MAP 1000 jar rating for reliable waste removal. Designed with a standard 12-inch rough-in, it allows for easy installation in most bathroom layouts. Finished in a clean white color, this toilet combines durability, modern design, and functionality, making it a practical choice for everyday residential use. Number 5. HOROW T0307W Elongated One-Piece Toilet. The HOROW T0307W Elongated One-Piece Toilet is a compact and modern bathroom fixture designed specifically for small spaces without compromising on performance or comfort. Featuring a sleek one-piece elongated design, it offers a seamless appearance that is easy to clean and ideal for contemporary bathrooms. The included soft-close seat ensures quiet and gentle closing, adding extra convenience and comfort. Its dual flush system, 1.1.6 GPF, delivers powerful and efficient flushing performance while helping conserve water. Designed with a standard 12-inch rough-in, it fits most bathroom layouts easily. Finished in a clean white color, The HOROW TR307W combines durability, space-saving design, and modern functionality, making it a practical choice for small and medium-sized bathrooms.